So do I actually need insurance? Do you? Does anybody? Is it just a scam? Find out more in today's episode. In today's episode, we'll go through some different considerations you should make to determine if insurance is the right product for your situation. Before purchasing or canceling any insurance, be sure to talk to a trained professional to review your current position and help you make the best decision. This video is for advice on considerations that are generally important when looking at insurance. Talk to someone, do your research, and make a plan for what works for you. Hi all, and welcome to my channel. My name is Riley Jordan, and I am a financial and personal development coach. I work in New Zealand, and I specialize in risk management and insurance. So today's episode is actually something I've been looking forward to. And today I'm going through some different considerations that you should actually think about to see if insurance might be a product to benefit your situation. Insurance is one of several risk management tools, and while I would say everyone needs to have a risk management plan, how that's broken up and across which products does depend on your individual situation. So in today's video, we'll talk about a question that I commonly get from my clients. Does insurance have to be a part of that risk management plan? Insurance works through the pooling of resources from many different individuals or entities. Usually the resource that's pooled is money. So this way, the cost of the risk, the dollar value behind whatever loss may occur, is shared across many, many people. And when it does occur, any individuals who experience the risk will be able to survive without having to recover from it all on their own. There are three considerations that I go through with my clients just to make sure that the purchase of insurance is something that will fit their situation. Those three elements are identification of your potential loss, your relationship with a post-loss state, and how the product fits into your overall financial plan. The first thing to consider is, do you have something to lose? It could be money, it could be your standard of living, or it could be an object that's important to you, or it could be a goal that's important to you. So most everyone does have something that they could lose. This is more about identifying the things in your life that would be impacted by losing them. The second thing to consider is whether or not you can wear the loss. Can you continue with your life without having the thing you lost? If, for example, you lost your ability to earn money, can't work anymore, can you live with that? Can you deal with not having access to that money? Is that something that is an acceptable loss in your life? You need to know whether you have savings or a network in place to help you offset the risk already, and that can be either in part or in full. If your existing risk management structure can't fulfill the entire period of the loss, it might be a good idea to look at insurance products and see what they offer. Most financial experts recommend 3 to 6 months worth of post-tax savings to have handy to pay off any bills and to continue towards any important financial goals. Due to recent hiring and unemployment trends, that recommendation has actually gone up to 8 months worth of savings. Now, my average client has 6 weeks worth of savings handy. That's 6 weeks. Another reason why you might consider insurance is that you're not happy just to write it off and not have whatever it is that you might lose. Everyone, when they have a goal or an objective, kind of sets a backup in their head. So what would happen if? This is often referred to as a BATNA, so your best alternative to a negotiated agreement, and you can have agreements with yourself. If your BATNA says that you're not happy to walk away from those goals, you need to consider how you're going to manage the risks. final consideration around insurance is whether or not it fits into your overall financial plan. So can you afford it? Insurance works if it's a long-term solution. It doesn't work as a month-to-month investment. It is something that is used as a social construct to help pool risks together over a long period of time. When and if you do choose to purchase insurance, after determining it fits your situation and your needs, you're going to want to make sure that the levels you're looking for is something that you can afford long term. This needs to be actually written into your financial plan as a fixed cost if it's something that you want to seriously consider. So it's right up there with securing having a place to live, making sure you have money set aside to eat and to live. If it is something you've determined to be necessary to your financial plan, it is necessary to have it consistently. Second disclaimer, in some places, certain types of insurance are required by law, so please do not break the law. Depending on different insurance providers and regions around the world and in New Zealand, insurance can have different terms and conditions. They have expiry and limitations and add-on functions. They link with other financial products and can be generally interesting and also sometimes confusing to understand and to use effectively in your plan. I strongly recommend talking to a professional to discuss what your goals are and how insurance could fit into your goals if you've decided, based on what we've discussed today, that, hey, this might be something that I should think about. A professional can help you make sure that you sign up for a product that does work for your situation. If you are in New Zealand and you'd like to talk to me in particular, you can feel free to reach out. I am qualified and trained to help you out with a financial risk management plan, and you can reach out to me via my website, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or YouTube. In future videos, I'll go through the different risk management tools that are available and discuss how you'd use each of those depending on your situation. If you have any other financial or success-related questions, please feel free to pop them in the comment section below. Please click like and subscribe if you found this video at all helpful or interesting. Be sure to hit the notification button if you're interested in learning more about success. I've also included my business website in the description below. Thanks all for watching, and until next time, I hope all's alright with you.